state.
The Jowai Municipal Board, in collaboration with Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides West Jaintia Hills, yesterday conducted an awareness program for school students on the objective of Keep Jowai Town Clean. The purpose of this program was to ensure that Jowai Town remains clean and tidy. During the program, the importance of proper disposal of waste management and sanitation was highlighted in different schools. The District Secretary Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides Ohiwat Lalu urged the students to start segregating their waste by using the waste bin distributed by the Jowai Municipal Board.
Ini perlu kami yang dicari to dicari uang ini kamu ni uang ini dicari yang dicari uang ini lempar ketika mereka yang ini uang ini kalau ia ukur kiung iwa ukur waktu tahu lagi pengan yang ini Yusuf waktu ukur kiwalat naik wajib Iwan Noi, Patari, Ye Bani, Ye Tet, Ye Julie, 90% Yoni.
India and the US will conduct a fortnight-long mega